Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making homemade furniture polish. It's easy, it's simple, and it's affordable. Today we're going to make some dust spray. I'm going to show y'all how to make an easy homemade pledge. It's easy, it's simple, and you can make it any fragrance you want by using your essential oils. Today we're going to be using grapefruit because I'm out of lemon. But this is going to be just like if you went to that aisle to buy a can of Pledge. The other day I went down through there and I was going to get me a can of Pledge, and it is almost $8 for one can. So I'm going to show you today how to take what you probably have in your kitchen and make some homemade dust furniture polish. Well, in today's video, to make this homemade Pledge cleaner, we'll be using some white vinegar, a little bit of oil of your choice. This is actually olive oil. And we'll be using 3/4 cup of filtered water. Now, if you're going to be using this all real fast to do like a whole bunch of house cleaning and getting your house in tip-top shape, you don't have to use filtered water if you're not going to be saving it. But I won't be using but just a little bit at a time, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the filtered water. Now, to put ours in, I just got me one of these little cheap spray bottles at Walmart. I got this one over in like the hair section. That way it was made smaller and a little heavier duty. It's probably more like for a bathroom. Okay, so we're going to use this one to put our mixture in. We're going to pour our 3/4 cup of water. And then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of the white vinegar. Now, the white vinegar will be doing the cleaning in this product and more like taking the dust away. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of our oil of our choice. And we're going to use the olive oil. And now we're going to add about 2 drops of this grapefruit essential oil. Now, if you want it to be just like the Pledge, you would need to get you some lemon essential oil. Actually, that was 3. Okay, and just give that a mix. Ooh, that makes it smell good. Now we're going to pour it in our bottle. And using the oil, the olive oil, will help repel the dust from coming back so fast. Hopefully. We're going to give it a try. So if y'all get you one of these bottles, you can see it fills it up to right there. So if you're like me and you need to do some dusting, just make your own homemade Pledge. It's easy, it's simple, and it's affordable. It don't have to cost a fortune to clean your house. So now we're going to clean our TV stand. And I'm using a paper towel just so y'all can see how it's going to pick up all this dust, dirt, and probably even some of Banjo's hair. So if you've got pets, this right here would even be great to dust your furniture with to help repel the hair. I've got to move this so I can do my whole piece of furniture, but y'all look how it picked up all that dust. I'll clean the edge of the TV. Look at that. It's easy, it's simple, and you can do it yourself. So when you go to buy a Pledge, it's weird. Pledge is made with 100% lemons, and then you go to buy you a lemon pie, and you read the ingredients, and it's made with artificial flavors. Why are they doing that? The real stuff in the furniture polish and feeding us the fake stuff. Well, I hope y'all like this video on making your homemade Pledge dust cleaner, furniture polish, whatever you call it, it works. And if you like our video, don't forget to hit that new hype button. YouTube has a new button, it's called the hype, and it gives our videos sort of points, and the more points it gives us, it looks like it pushes our videos out there. So click the thumbs up and don't forget the new hype button. And if you hadn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. And like always, thanks for watching.